Hello everyone, welcome to another one of Mix's projects. This is installing a attic Gable fan in my attic to assist in cooling off my garage. So as you can see here, I took a bunch of pictures. I didn't do any videos during this, but this is where it's going to be mounted, and that was some measurements, and here's actually a quick little video of deciding where the best place to put it in the attic. Now this is at the back of my house. So this is me building the frame and the mount. I'm going to build everything ahead of time before I get up into the attic, and then assemble it once I'm up there. And here you can see I did the cutout and mounted the frame as well as the louvers that will go over the opening. Here is the fan actually mounted along with the thermostat. I also put some 1/4 inch galvanized screen between the louvers and fan. And here's what it looked like before and after. You can see the galvanized screen through the louvers there. And here it is up and running. It's a little bit loud in the attic, but when you're downstairs in the house, you can't hear anything at all. Well, that wraps it up for another one of Mix's projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.